Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw subscribers from Mailchimp into card pages, full guide step by step clearly. Go to the Audience tab from the main dashboard. In the Contacts list, click the Export Audience button. Once the export is complete, download the CSV file to your computer. Next, log in to your card account. Create a new card project or open an existing one. Navigate to the Forms section in the project editor. Add a new form element by dragging it onto your card page. Click on the form element to open its settings. In the form settings, look for the Actions section. Select Mailing List from the available options. You will be prompted to connect to your Mailchimp account. Follow the instructions to authorize card to access your Mailchimp account. Once connected, specify the Mailchimp audience you want to link. Now, check the available fields in your form to match the data from your CSV file. Make sure to include fields for names and emails. You can add custom fields if your original Mailchimp form included them. After setting up your form fields, customize the form appearance to fit your card design. Save your changes in the card editor. Publish the card page to make your form live. Test the form by submitting a sample entry. Verify that the entry appears in your Mailchimp audience. If everything looks good, your setup is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.